Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 16 April 2022, today is Saturday. Today is Saturday, tomorrow is Easter Day, right? So for you guys enjoying the Easter holiday or celebrating the Easter Day, happy Easter to you. And for all the for others that is having a holiday, Easter holiday leave, happy holiday to you guys. So before we start, remember, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, support the channel. Also, you can try to, if you don't have an account, you want to try open an account, you can try CGS-CIMB account. Link below the video or in the in my Facebook. Okay, don't forget, support the channel, subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to leave your comment. Okay, let's check out the introduction and disclaimer. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, today let's check out the global. Want to see what is going on to the global market. Want to see what is going on in our KLSE, our indexes, okay, our sector indexes, global market, steel, all those things, right? So before we start, of course, we want to look at KLCI, the weekly chart. The weekly chart tell us a longer term story. The daily chart, the daily candle tell us a short term story. The weekly chart tell us a longer term story. So we want to do a top-down analysis. Okay, means we want to see a bigger time frame. Then we want to cut slow. Then we want to zoom into the micro time frame. Not the micro macro and micro not nano Nano means 15 minutes day trader. All those we don't want to dive into that. Look at that. You see this bearish engulfing engulf two candle almost three candle, two candle. So this is a strong bearish signal. It happened before, but the market pushed it up. Okay, so now it happened again. See this time how they going to push it up. But there is a support over here. 1567. There is possible support over here. Last time it managed to push up after this pin bar, right? And a bearish candle. Okay, so they managed. Actually, the price did drop to here. Okay, but it pushed back up. Actually, the price didn't stop here. Let me correct this. Oh, what have I done? Okay, let me correct this. Actually, the price did drop below here. Did drop back to here. Okay, this support then only went back up. It's not here. Okay, but the weekly stop here. Means Friday it stopped here. Okay, so but then this time, right, it went up. Same thing. You shall not pass 1,006 to 1,613, which is the high of this area, which KLCI never went through. Okay, starting from April last year, it never managed to stay above this area. Okay, never managed to stay there. Okay, especially 1613. Okay, especially 1613. So we got a pin bar daily. So we got bearish engulfing. Looks like this one coming back to at least here probably 1567 area. I think this is better support. Although there is a support over here. 1580. Okay, if this one can support it, maybe still can go. Maybe will be sideways. I don't hope the market to be sideways. Sideways, there's nothing much to play. Okay, if the market managed to hold here, I'm not keen that market hold here. Okay, market hold here still okay. Market hold here, I'm not happy. Why? Because if you generate this type of price, this type of game, this type of pattern, right? How to trade? Today went up 5%. Tomorrow drop 3%. Next day after tomorrow drop another 3%. Then another few days later it went up another 2%, 3%, like that. You're gonna headache. So probably it's gonna be like this. Okay, but hopefully it doesn't. Okay, RSI dropped below 50 already. So hopefully I want it to drop cow here or here. Then we got strategy. Then it's easier to invest, because after big drop, okay, price is cheap. Okay, we can buy the cheap price, right? If you all holding around here, not moving, nothing much to trade, nothing much to trade or invest, also nothing much to buy, because nothing cheap for you to buy, right? If you are value investment. Okay, now the price is almost at the peak of since April last year to now, right, is at the peak here, KLCI. How far can it go? How to buy, right? What to buy, right? So wait for it to drop. The further, the better, right? Okay, let's look at all the other. Aluminium. Aluminium is dropping. So the aluminium future is dropping. So the P metal, all those goes up are goring. Not really justifiable, right? Look at semiconductor. Nasdaq is definitely dropping. Nasdaq is dropping. Okay. It's a continuation of a downtrend. Okay, it's a continuation. So it actually got hit by here. It cannot go through anymore. This area. Okay, it got hit by here. So it cannot go through. So probably this one until Nasdaq go through this line, right? Okay, I will not play. Okay, until Nasdaq, unless Nasdaq can pass through 15066, then I will probably look for a buy, because if Nasdaq go through here, right? You know, right? I've been talking about this pattern many times, right? Head and shoulder, right? Head and shoulder reversal. Okay. SOSS different. SOS continue dropping non-stop. So unlikely the head and shoulder will continue. Very likely everything will drop. The Nasdaq will continue drop. Very unlikely. But this one is still starting to drop. If this one, right, SOSS drop below 3036, right, this support area, right, probably this one is going to go lower. Okay. If this one breaks lower, unlikely Nasdaq can do a head and shoulder. Unlikely lah. Steel, okay, steel also you see not doing very well. Micron, all those gain, right? SS Steel, right? Probably due to some goring, okay, but steel futures is dropping, so I don't see the steel rebound very strongly. But oil is rebounding. Okay, oil is having a rebound, short-term rebound. I don't think this one is I don't think this one is long-term. I think all the scare already done already. Okay, but still going up Going up is going up. Okay. CPO still very strong. CPO futures still very strong, going up. So CPO is still okay. But our local one different. Our local one starting to drop So you still be careful Want to take profit first also is okay But the local stock is dropping So okay. So we want to check out the sector now. Check out the sector. Oh yeah. I almost forgot, because few more things to see. Semiconductor we checked already. Semiconductor doing very well. Steel Home and China Steel. Okay, Steel Home. Look at Steel Home. Okay, steel price is still slowly going up. China Steel price index is still slowly going up. Look at this Shanghai Steel Index. Industrial metal, sorry. So you see industrial metal still dropping, similar industrial metal dropping. Okay, our these are steel index also dropping. So doesn't look steel is strong. Doesn't look like it's very strong. Okay, so look at the sector. Consumer hit the resistance over here. So and also this downtrend channel resistance. So unlikely it can go further. Unlikely it can go further, especially with the drop of the KLCI. Okay, so unlikely it can go further. We have to wait and see this one. I give it neutral to bearish. Okay, unlikely it can go higher. Healthcare. Okay, healthcare. Talk about healthcare many days already. So it need to hold above 2044. Okay, if it can hold above 2044, maybe slowly it's still reversing, because maybe possible already dropped to the bottom already. Possible already dropped to the bottom. Technology. So technology, I said don't not the time to buy because this one until it make a head and shoulder reversal. Okay, head and shoulder reversal, then I'm not buying. Okay. And Nasdaq SOSS continue to drop. Property also reached the resistance over here. Okay, so doesn't look like you want to go any more higher. Okay, so this one also bearish to neutral to me. Neutral to bearish. Energy. Okay, energy trying to go up but not much momentum. Okay, trying to go up but not much momentum. Probably this one need to change it like this already. So this one still be careful I don't see energy can go very far lah. Okay, I don't see palm oil energy can go much more further. Probably a bit more only, but that's it lah. Okay, so this one is neutral. Okay, I put it. I will say it neutral. Finance. Okay, finance is coming down already. Okay, so it hit the top channel, trying to break through, cannot break through. Once you cannot break through, false break. False break now is slowly is reversing down already. So this is bearish. But not to say this is not to say the industry no good. Only after a big push, right? It need to correct one. It need to rest for a while. So this one will be a pullback. Okay, short-term correction, or you call it short-term pullback. Industry. Okay, industry still very strong, going all the way up. Industry still very strong, but probably still can go up a bit. So this bullish to neutral to me. Industry still okay, a little bit strong, but possible correction coming. Almost neutral lah. There's not a very strong sector lah. That's why we don't see KLCI got any big momentum to go up, because we didn't see any strong sector. All this sector all reached resistance already. Even this one, right? Transportation also big rebound, right? But now it hit this big resistance area 891. Or probably correction coming, but this one considered still quite strong quite strong. Okay, this one is strong, neutral to strong strong to neutral. Plantation. Okay, plantation, I said take some profit first, because look like going to drop already. Okay, so this one I already talked about yesterday. Take some profit first. Look like U-turning down. Okay, small cap is good. Small cap is about rebounding. Small cap is strong. Okay, small cap is still strong. Probably a short-term correction, then probably going up again. Construction is the strongest. Okay, construction is the strongest, then driving the market. Continue to go up, but as you really stay long time above overbought, right? So this is correction is coming soon. So maybe up to here 173, a few more days up, you'll start to come back down. You cannot go too far without correction, without big correction. Telco, okay, telco now slow down already after this big push. So this one is still bearish because it's still in this downtrend channel. So it's still in this downtrend channel, still bearish to me. Consider bearish to me. Okay, but slightly push the side push. So not many strong sector. All sector is at the resistance. Okay, if we can move, also move a little bit. So there is no catalyst to push the KLCI to go much higher. Okay, probably, okay, all these will start to drop next week, except construction is a bit, still construction is maybe still can push a little bit. Okay, so I'll talk to you again tomorrow. We'll talk about all the stuff we talked about this whole week. Stay safe from COVID. Bye-bye.